Oh.
And I've once seen a picture of it last year when you were telling me the story of it.
What do you find so different about this car?
Because check out the interior.
Uh-huh.
See, no radio.
Uh-huh. No radio.
Look at what kind of thing wheel is this.
Uh-huh.
No reverse light.
No reverse lights.
Yeah.
And what are...
Big exhaust pipe.
Uh-huh. Big exhaust pipe.
And the one, see?
What else? What about the front?
And the front and
What do you find interesting in this picture?
what are these two black things for the bumper?
Maybe they don't touch it.
What are these for, huh?
To protect it from the shock.
Okay.
And does this have a seat belt? Can you check?
And then I will show you the
Is there a seat belt inside?
seat.
No seat belt.
No seat belt. Okay. It's a vintage car.
It's a vintage car.
Wheels
Uh-huh.
very dirty and very scratched over here.
Uh-huh.
What about the mirrors? The mirrors. Oh, see? You can see mirrors.
This.
And look at those door handles.
Uh-huh. They are old.
There's even a photography and here to a photography.
Uh-huh.
And look at this massive channel of the back window. How massive it is, and you can reach up to the side.
Uh-huh. Okay, let's go now.